She found freedom. It's the only thing I can explain it.
Great job, honey.
She's a mess. All right, do you want to pedal down to Isla? Turn it around, right? Yeah, there you go. Here, I'll catch you coming down, okay?
Eyes on up, right? Yeah, okay. So what? Ready? Time, you ready to go? Isla, stop. Isla, stop.
Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Good girl. So you can get to the backstop. It's a lot of work. Keep going. That's one way not to fall. Anything to say to your fans?
If you want to do a great job biking great, these are the tips. Step 1. Never, ever, ever stop pedaling. You are never, ever, ever going to do that. Step 2. These are the brakes. If you have something that looks like this on your bike, push that. It's a brake.
What do you think? We're going to upload this to YouTube?
Yep.
No, it's just you're teaching 6-year-olds how to ride. Okay, keep going. I'm sorry to interrupt. Do you have something on your bike like
go
this?
like this if you want to brake. And here's one way to do it. If you're going downhill, you got keep pedaling no matter what. Doesn't matter where you're steering, where you're doing anything. You gotta just pedal it. And if you feel like you're gonna crash into something or something's gonna make you fall down, go over it and tip. And you definitely don't want to go on the road that much. It's not that great. And this is parents. This is for parents. Get an outdoor place which is very, very wide and open with grass and stuff. That's really good.
Mm-hmm. And do we want to thank our friends the Walls for telling us about this place?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.